What's up, guys? This is your host Dana, and welcome back. So, today we're gonna discuss HBAR, Hedera hash graph, and have a look at what's going on, okay? Before I go ahead and start, um, guys, if you guys wanna learn, make sure to come and watch the live streams if you want to, if you wanna learn, okay? Otherwise, it's not a must. So, let's get into it straight away. So the drawings I have here, okay, I am not gonna get into the daily that much because it's something that I already discussed in the live streams, but a little bit, we can do it a little bit, okay? So on the daily, there is some good divergence that is developing. It is developing. It's not, valid yet, but it's developing. We'll see where it goes. But let's focus on the midterm, okay? Midterm to short term, right? So, as you guys can see, we have this parallel channel. This was drawn on a live stream, so I can just stretch it out right now so you guys are following. Just a minute. There you go, okay? That's why I said come to the live streams and see what's going on there instead. I think it was from one of my live streams, don't remember which one, but one of them. Anyways, what's happening right now is kind of sad for Hedera, okay? Even though there is some type of good divergence going on the daily, okay? All moving averages are looking pretty much bearish, fine. I also have another screen that I'm looking at, and even there, moving averages are looking bearish. In other words, the 20 period is below the midterm and the long term, okay? So, back to the midterm time frame. So this is what's going on, guys. Even though we have some nice bullish divergence and we had some nice, engulfing candles yesterday, okay, that pushed the price a bit higher, volume is still kind of low. If you look at it, like there's barely any volume, okay, and we can't still break above the hard line of the parallel channel. And on top of that, there is already a hint of bearish divergence going on Hedera graph on the 4-hourly time frame. So for that to be invalid, it's developing right now, but for that to be invalid, we have to close at least above 0.0495, at least, okay, at least. So have a look at this. We are still below this part line of the parallel channel that has been respected, for a good while now, since the 22nd, okay. We do have a main resistance right here around 0.0491 levels, okay. If we close a 4-hourly candle above it, okay, let's say, just to be a bit more conservative, let's say 0.05 levels. If we can close above 0.05 levels on an hourly time frame, then the next resistance would be around these levels. Look to your right and you'll see what I'm talking about. It would be around 0.052-ish to 0.0532-ish levels, okay? And we're talking short to midterm levels right now only. In general, it is holding main support levels. It's been holding it for a while now, since the 22nd, so that's fine. But it is still looking pretty weak. We still started, developing some positive momentum on the MACD, but we need price to at least break above 0.5 levels on a 4-hourly time frame. And then, of course, even better if it can break above this level, because if it breaks above this level, if it breaks above 0.0532 on a 4-hourly time frame, there's not much holding us until this red dotted line you guys can see, which is around 0.0591, okay. Otherwise things are looking pretty slow. I will do a small recap for you because I already take this, I already discussed these things on the live stream, but just for you guys, okay? There is still nothing implying that the bulls are in control, okay? The bears might be a little tired, but there's nothing implying, looking at the Eastern indicators, that the bulls are in control, okay? We still have positive momentum on the MACD weekly, okay? But it is losing strength. It is losing strength, so keep that in mind. We do have some good divergence developing right now on the, RSI, on one of the oscillators. But if we go any lower, which I wouldn't be that surprised about, if we go any lower, the nice divergence that we are seeing building on the RSI can also be, invalid, okay? Then the other good thing that I can, discuss is that we are still, if you look at this point to this point, we are still, showing some bullish, divergence on, the oscillator. So it's fine. That's fine. Thing is, like I said, if we go any lower, there's not much holding us until these levels. But this is long term. No need to get into it now. We can get into it when this level right here is broken. If it gets below, anywhere below 0.042, then we're gonna see lower levels, friends, okay? And on the hourly, just a minute, let me fix this. On the hourly, we do see some type of, nice divergence going on one of the oscillators, not both, just one of the oscillators. We still have negative momentum, going on the MACD. It's not weak yet. RSI is above neutral, that's fine. Also on this one, it's still above neutral, but looks like it's, declining. But two important things for us to see some push to the upwards, okay? We need to close above 0.5 levels on an hourly note, at least, if not 4 hourly. And then we need to break above this resistance right here for us to see levels of 0.059 again, at least, okay? And then, of course, there are other levels to the upside, but no need to discuss that. We'll take it level by level because I always, go back, forward and backward, when it's time, especially on the live streams. So, guys, that was it for Hedera hash graph. Thank you for tuning in. If you like the contents that I bring, do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell. You guys know I always try to make videos before the move happens, before anything happens, and if I see something interesting. So I saw that there was something interesting, but the fact that we still can't, break above this, and the fact that there is already, some bad divergence developing is not really, the strongest sign for the bulls, okay? So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, this is not financial advice, only my own unbiased opinions, like TA, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Take care.